Hi, welcome back to my channel. Quick one from me today. This is my 8-inch Lodge skillet. It's pretty well seasoned, but I've tried something else over the last couple of days, and I think this is the way forward that I'm going to do from now on. Previously, I've been using a shortening Trex. I think the equivalent in the America markets are the Crisco. But yesterday I actually bought some lard. I've put it in here. So this is just good old-fashioned lard. Now this skillet is cold, and obviously the lard's cold. So what I did last night with my others, and this done really well, is put this on cold. As you can see, it goes on sort of a bit thicker. Give it a right good coating. And then what I'm going to do is put that in my auger for an hour, hour and a half, whatever. But yeah, I'm using lard. I don't know the difference in properties between lard and shortening and whatnot, but I find this, I don't know, it just seems to be a lot better when it's finished seasoning. It's more of a harder consistency. But yeah, so what I'll do is pop this in for an hour, hour and a half, whatever, and then I'll pull it out and I'll show you guys what the difference is, if you can see any. I'll just took that out. It's glowing still, but I'm really happy with those results. I think that's going to be the way forward from now on. I'm just going to use lard. I'm going to look into the different properties between lard and shortening, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm hoping the camera can pick up the just how, I don't know, just how hard and how non-stick it looks. So yeah, I'm chuffed with that. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.